Life is really tough for people born after 2000. His family gave him $200,000 to buy a new car, but he turned around and bought this instead. A more than 10-year-old Land Cruiser. He thought he found a treasure, but after stripping the whole car, he was stunned. The car was full of tissue paper and dirt. Even the frame was packed with mud. The engine was also in poor condition. But since it came to this, the young man had no choice but to push through. His furious dad, after seeing the restored result, admitted the money was well spent. The screen is covered in dirt. No one can talk to me. Only the yellow night owl knows. Oh my God, don't love. Beautiful one, don't let me. Everything has been dismantled. Under the carpet is a thick layer of dirt. And what's with all this tissue paper? Who knows what this car has been through? Let's clean it up first. Dirt everywhere. Foam dissolves the mud. Clean everything thoroughly. Remove, wash, and dry the carpet. All my friends don't let me alone. Beautiful world, don't lie to me. Next, dismantle the body. Separate the body from the chassis. Not an exaggeration to say it looks freshly dug out. The frame is packed with dirt inside. Bushings are all rotten. The frame is corroded. Let's clean off the mud first. Deep clean the chassis. All cleaned. The chassis is full of rust. Start disassembling the engine. Even bolts are packed with mud. You can imagine the condition. Inaudible. Engine disassembly complete. Usable parts are ultrasonically cleaned. The pistons are full of carbon deposits. Severe cylinder wear. Ultrasonic cleaning removes grease. Begin chassis restoration. All rubber parts are aged and cracked. Replace them all this time. Chassis disassembly complete. Polish it first. Then laser rust removal. Intake valve. Apply coating. High temperature baking. The frame looks brand new. Isn't it simple? Other parts are ready too. Rusty bolts are sandblasted and refinished. All parts are prepared. How does it look? Start reassembly. Chassis restoration complete. Looks brand new. Arrange everything neatly. Replace everything that needs replacing. Assemble according to standard procedures. If you're handy, join us. Let's begin. Robot automatic polishing. Engine rebuild complete. The V8 is revived like new. Repaint with imported silver coating. Remove the original paint. Install a new body kit. Oven baked finish nice and glossy. Engine installed back onto chassis. Reunite body and chassis, then start it. A month of work makes this moment worth it. Redo soundproofing for the whole car. Add another high-density layer. Effectively improves sound insulation. Soundproofing complete. Very good. Custom interior wrapping. Using premium materials. Dashboard wrapped. Headliner wrapped. Recolor plastic parts. Final assembly. Restoration complete. After 35 days, it enters break-in again. Ready for the next journey. Let's see the before and after difference.